Hello, welcome to another installment of IT Fondi, and basically today we'll be diving into one of the interesting things. As you can see, this is content credentials. Now, what is the use of this? So as we see a lot of AI generated media content, LinkedIn has joined the ranks. So this was just updated 4 months ago, but just saw when I was uploading something recently with this CR. And basically what this is about is that there is a coalition that aims to develop technical standards for this one is one of for content provenance and authenticity. Basically, for people to understand whether the content that has been generated is AI generated or it is something made by an artist. This number one helps with things like patents, tracking patents and so on, but also it helps to curtail issues like misinformation that may come as a result of AI generated content. Now, it's developed with this standard, and it makes so basically, as you can read through, although it's not possible to identify and label all generated content, there is a continual effort to have this marked. So of course, they go ahead to show you that. So when you click on when you see this label, I'll show you how I got to know about this. So I was working on something. I have a product that I'm going to launch soon, titanium ibex. I want you to stay tuned for that. So this is an AI generated image. So as I was uploading it to my profile, let me just drag that here. As I was uploading it to my profile, basically that there was a content credentials label that was added. So I was a bit curious, and this prompted me to follow the learn more, and that takes you to this page. And so basically this information is about labeling that what is AI generated and what is not. And as time goes on, this will help with things like preventing misinformation, but I also said also things like issues concerning patents and so on and so forth. Now, there's some other information, that assertion about the media. This information, whether it was AI generated or edited in any part of content. Of course, it could add or remove content. The Apple device used, as you can see, that camera model used or AI tool, and the, issued by the entity that created or signed the content, which would be an individual creator, an organization, or trusted authority. And this provides transparency about who is asserting the authenticity and provenance, because that's a new word, of the content. But also you can see that the date and time when the content credential was created and signed. Now when you look at that, all that information, it means that when you're actually uploading any image, some of this information is actually behind it. If you want a video to show you how you can extract that metadata from any photo, I can make that, just put it down in the comments and I'll be able to show you how that is done. But basically it's telling you your digital footprint has so many, your digital footprint online has so many pieces of data that can be collected, and this is just from one image that I uploaded, and it was able to assert that this that the image I created was AI generated. Of course, you can see the T's and some of these things, but also there is more information in the background about this image. I don't know if I can get some image properties. I just want you to see some of this information that is actually available. Just look at that. The size, the PNG. Of course, here there are folders. Of course, that's local. The aperture and all this information, the date, time that was actually that is part of this. So it's very critical that whenever you're navigating in the digital space, you keep a watchful eye about what you post. You can see some of the information that can be extracted. And yeah, happy learning, and I encourage you to subscribe, like the videos, and follow for more. Yeah, thank you.